Ka Sorkar Pdeng kadang ap iaka kaiphod jong ka komiti ki arngut ki dekhot ka bapenlong ka jing tokit halor ki jing kenok persya ya Vice Chancellor ka School ba North Eastern Hill University NEHU UPS Shukla halor ka jing penyai kam babakla bat ka jing bam nang trekam haishwa ban shimrai halor ka ne kapang. Ya kini la pentip da undang yalam ka BJP ubadai ru menteri Sorkar uba AL hek ha ka arpratrik naiwe hadian baka kenhun na ka parti ka jela kala le ye kendu dangsyan ya menteri khna ka tenat pule puthi ka Sorkar Pdeng ha Delhi. Ngikum ka kenhun ngila penpau sya uni menteri bat airu ya ka shithi halor ki kam ki bayadai bet kanehu. Kila tip syaibha halor ka ni kapang bat kila pha ya arngut ki dekhot ban tok kiet halor ki ne barok. Mentah kidang ap ya ka kaiphod ong ubak hek haba keren syakilat patai kubor. Katkum ke jingtip jongahi ka komiti kala dep penkre ka kaiphod henrei kadang IT sya ketenat ula ong. Haba keli halor ke jing dawa ban wengno ya UVC ubak hek ula ong bajan baro ki kenhun hapok kani ka skul ba. Katana duk ka seng samla puli nehusu ki seng kinong hikai nehu tabat meta bat kinong trei nehun sa kila ai la ki jong ki jing mudoi persya ya uni UVC bamenta. Kumta lada kini ki jing kenok jong kini ki kenhun ki long ki basisha bat lada pidang penek ya uju UVC kumta ru ki kam ki jam kin omlong syuk ki baya ibe ya irti hapok kani ke skul ba ula ong. Kani kalawan long ru kendiat sengi hadin baki samla pule ki la pensangi shipor ya ka jing ya ki syak tangan kabalane haduk khanriu sengi ban dawa weng no mardor ya UPS Shukla kum Vice Chancellor ka NEHU. Baruk ki kenhun na ka skul ba NEHU ki laya kenduk ya ka komiti jong ki arngut ki dekhot balatung da ka Ministry of Education bat pha ya ka khubor ka basyai sya ka Sorkar Pdeng bakin omla satyaban pediang ya ka jingwan pai jong uni UVC bamenta.
We went as delegation looking for an appointment with the Diamond product, but we were busy the whole day. In meantime, also we took an appointment with the Minister of State Education, Dr. Shishkanto Bujumdar. So he immediately gave an appointment. So with as a delegation, we went and briefed him with a letter submitted to him relating to the NEHU's issue. So there also they know very clearly, they said that this already is they have sent two representatives to Government of India for inquiry. They are waiting for the report. But as far as my knowledge goes, I think the report has completed here, but I think it's still waiting to submit the report. So that is the thing that after maybe 10 o'clock, I got the call from Dharmendra Pradhan. He spoke to me that he said, I just finished his meeting with the Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji. Then I said, now to already late 10 o'clock, so we will only send the letter to you. By tomorrow morning, you will be getting in your office. So we have told my PA to stay extra one day only for submission of the letter, and he has done it. You see, according to the reports given verbally to me, and also the report given by all concerned of NEHU, right from Nahunsa, right from the Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association, right from the student, the faculty, even the employee, they are given all the report is against the Vice Chancellor. So if it is that report, according to them, it is true. Is this then if we are keeping the same Vice Chancellor, so that the work convenient, the work culture will be no longer, smooth in the NEHU.